Buenos días. Buenos días, Padre.
Hi everybody.
Make a message.
No, I can't do it. It's too early. Maybe later. Good morning, everybody.
Okay, okay. Hey. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Blackstone.
My name is Naileen Cordell, and I'm on the Parish Council of Immaculate Heart of Mary Blackstone Church.
So how often do you do this sale?
Well, before COVID hit, we had 2 a year, one in the fall and one in the spring. But this is the first one we're having this year, so it's at least once a year.
Yeah, aside from the yard sale, we also have the bake sale. So who do the baking?
The ladies of the church do the baking. They bake the items at their home, and then they bring them here Saturday morning to sell. We have Debbie Morsky. I may have mispronounced that. I'm sorry, Debbie. And we have Phyllis. And we have myself. I baked some things and brought them. And Eleanor. Eleanor does a lot of baking. She's not here yet, but she'll be here later this morning with her baked goods.
Okay.
I'm Debbie Mazorski. This is our friend Laura Shaw. Phyllis. Last name Phyllis? Hernandez. I knew that. And then Maria McQuarrie.
Hi.
And we are in charge right now of the bakery.
Okay.
We have some wonderful home-baked bakeries. All kind of sweets. And we're hoping to have all of this gone by the end of the day.
Who make all this?
Who makes that? Phyllis made all of this. Maria made the pumpkin bread. Okay, I made some of this. Cookies, I'm the cookie man. Everybody else makes the bread and everything, but I make the cookies. And now we have Miss Eleanor, and she's our baker for sure.
Wow. Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
Very good.
Hold on. Got it?
Look at all of this. Yes, I got it. Look at all this, Father.
What do we have
We've got
here?
the Danish. These are very, very good. These are known. Every year they ask for the Danish, and Eleanor and Phyllis makes them.
Wow.
So, yes.
I'll put some down on here.
Okay. Okay, let me take this out. These are so good. The Danish, very good. Oh, God. What is this? All right.
So, what is your name?
My name is Lucy McFarlane.
Elise.
Lucy McFarlane.
Ah, Lucy. So, what time did you left your house?
I left my house just before 8 o'clock to get here.
And how do you know this yard sale?
Y'all advertise on the sign out there when I come back and forth up and down the road.
So what are the items you bought?
I brought a refrigerator, bicycle, that's over there. Got other stuff over there they holding for me. Got small bar, got all this clothes and stuff in my hand, but they holding me some up there.
Okay, so thank you very much. So any message?
No, just tell everybody come out, help support y'all church,
Okay,
and be blessed.
thank you very much. Who are the contributors of all the items on sale?
A lot of people. Matter of fact, not just the people of this parish, but I've had people call me at work and at home saying they had stuff they wanted to contribute to the yard sale. So we have a lot of different people from our community and the Blackstone community have donated items for this sale today.
Okay, so last question. What is the proceed of this income generating project?
Well, a lot of things. There's a lot of things. You can imagine with a house that's 100 years old practically, needs constant work done on it. And so does the church. So these monies help go to maintain the properties of the church.
You want to have a message?
Selling basket of cheer for this year, and for each ticket $5. You have a chance to win one or more of these baskets. The more tickets you buy, the more chances you have. The drawing is next month or November.